I've been here a long time, and this is another milestone. I've experienced many, many milestones since I've been here. And here's another really exciting one. We are really just a very, very small company trying to make their niche within our market. And the milestone today is pretty exciting that I think we're about to go on another adventure out in the world of, we all know who Escape is, and there's a few other 1,000 people out there. And there's somebody very specifically that is very excited about who Escape is, and that's really where this milestone kind of goes from, where I truly believe as of tomorrow, we're about to go on a whole nother adventure, and it's very, very exciting. The other part about it is we should be very excited about what we do. We have thousands of people that buy our Escape trailer, and it's really great to hear back from people or people that commit to our company of how exciting Escape really is. We all have many different roles here in Watch, but in the end, we thrive to have the best product that we can put out in today's world. My honest opinion is everybody should own an Escape and forget the stick-built ones, etc. But it is what it is. It's all about choices. So, with that being said, a little bit of a quiz. Who has ever watched the show Deal or No Deal? Okay, put your hand out. Who has ever watched the show Canadian Idol? Or Canadians Got Talent? Is that what it's called? All right, there you go. Canadians Got Talent. Okay. Who has ever watched The Price is Right? Okay, now put your hand up. Would you know who hosts or who used to host The Price is Right in the United States that's been on for like 30, 40 years? Bob Barker. There you go. There you go. And do you know who hosts Price is Right in the United States currently today? Drew Carey. There you go. Right. Now put your hand up. Did you know that Price is Right is coming to Canada? Yes. And do you know who's hosting The Price is Right in Canada? Howie Mandel. So, do you know that October, November, we had an opportunity as a company. If you ever watch The Price is Right, they have their showcases and they all do their different things. So we had an opportunity as a company to be able to send some of our trailers there to be part of The Price is Right Canada. To be part of, in their showcase, if that person was to win, one of their prizes would be one of our trailers. Does anybody know that? There may be a few people here, but very few people. That, to me, is very, very exciting. Did you know March 10th, so in another week, The Price is Right is going to make its debut on TV. I don't know when yet our trailers would be part of any of that, but in 2 of our showcases on The Price is Right, our trailers are going to be in there, and there's one of our milestones. That is massive. For anybody that watches The Price is Right, it is massive. So, all different people in our company that have feelers out. That, to me, is massive. Here's where it gets better. One of the people there at The Price is Right thinks, just like I do, this is the best shit that's out there. This is absolutely amazing. And even to the point, probably is drinking the same Kool-Aid that I drink of, wow, this is cool. So I got something that we're going to play for you guys. Paul, now it's time.
Hey Escape team, Howie Mandel here. I can't tell you how excited I am to get my new trailer. Thanks for building it for me. I am so excited. I am so excited. I love what you do.
I think that's the coolest shit ever. And again, when we talk about our milestones, I don't think there's anything more that would make me puff out than that. So what is very exciting, why we're all here, this trailer here is what Howie Mandel has bought from Escape, and this trailer here leaves to go to Howie tomorrow. That's pretty exciting. So we thought it would be pretty cool. He took a few minutes out of his day to send us a pretty cool message. We got it, I think, on Friday. I've been excited ever since to be we got to get everybody together to share it because I think it's pretty cool.